Taiwan is set to formally activate its first military unit armed with the American-made M1A2T HIMARS rocket artillery system in July 2025, marking a key milestone in the island's military modernization drive. The move comes after a series of successful HIMARS live-fire exercises held on May 12 at Jiuping Base during the annual Thunder maneuvers. This new HIMARS unit, officially known as the 58th Artillery Command under the 10th Army Corps, has completed half a year of advanced training to operate the sophisticated platform. Once operational, it will be embedded within Taiwan's core military structure, dramatically improving the country's ability to conduct fast, long-range strikes, an essential advantage in any asymmetric defense scenario. Taiwan has procured a total of 29 HIMARS systems through a U.S. defense deal, along with associated training simulators, 84 ATACMS missiles, and 864 GMLRS guided rockets. So far, deliveries have included 11 launchers, 16 ATACMS rounds, and simulation systems. The remainder of the initial rocket batch was due by the end of Q1 2025, with the final shipment, 18 launchers and additional missiles, expected to arrive before 2026. Mounted on a 6x6 FMTV truck platform, HIMARS combines firepower, speed, and survivability. Its high mobility and reduced crew requirements make it ideal for shoot-and-scoot tactics. Each launcher can fire 6 GPS-guided GMLRS rockets with a 70 km range or a single ATACMS missile capable of hitting targets 300 km away. A computerized fire control system, armored crew compartment, and C-130 airlift compatibility enhance its tactical flexibility. Defense experts note that HIMARS is well suited to work in tandem with Taiwan's indigenously produced Thunderbolt 2000 rocket artillery. While the Thunderbolt specializes in delivering overwhelming saturation fire, HIMARS brings surgical precision to the battlefield. This dual capability may be pivotal in defending Taiwan's coastlines and repelling amphibious assaults. Analyst Ching Chiwen further suggested that Taiwan's defense research agencies might adapt HIMARS guidance technology to local weapon platforms, increasing inter-system compatibility. At the same time, Taiwan's army has commenced a 12-day series of live-fire tests with its recently acquired M1A2T Abrams tanks, focusing on both day and night combat operations. Managed by the Armored Training Command, these drills are designed to evaluate the tank's effectiveness across a range of battlefield scenarios. Looking ahead, Taiwan's military plans a large-scale joint exercise in August involving both air and naval units. Central to this will be live trials of the new Kwai-Chi uncrewed surface vessels, naval drones developed for offensive missions. 13 domestic and international defense firms are expected to participate in an upcoming demo showcasing capabilities like autonomous pathfinding, remote targeting, and real-time visual navigation. These drone boats, equipped with explosive payloads, are being tested for their ability to penetrate enemy defenses and strike large vessels. The coordinated rollout of HIMARS units, Abrams tank drills, and uncrewed vessel trials reflects a broader transformation in Taiwan's military doctrine. The focus is shifting toward high-tech, rapid response, and precision-oriented warfare, critical elements of the asymmetric strategy designed to counter larger, more conventional adversaries in the region.